So welcome back to a new tutorial, and today I have a powerful feature of Google Dialer that is updated one from Google. Now guys, you can change the incoming call gesture from horizontal to one tap gesture or one tap to horizontal lines. This is the best one, and suddenly from recent 2 days, Google Dialer has introduced their many new updates. They changed their incoming call gesture, they changed the outgoing call gesture. Now here is a secret feature, a secret setting. By using that, you can change the incoming call gesture. Before starting today's tutorial, I request all of you, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks and secret hacks. Just open your Google Dialer, then go to top left corner three bars, tap on it, then again tap on the settings option. Alright, after tapping on settings, go down. In general, you will see the up option, incoming and incoming call gesture option at the bottom side. In general, click on that, and here you will see incoming call gesture. Click on it. Here are two options: horizontal swipe and single tap. You can change it to anyone which you want to select, like horizontal swipe, which is the updated one, and the single tap is already available on the recent versions. So whatever you want, you can change. You can change the gesture, incoming call gesture on your smartphone. I hope this tutorial helped you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.